Hello, well today I'm going to present the science lesson number 1 for this week. Okay, so these past weeks we have been studying animals. So in this week we're going to review all the different topics that we have been studying about animals. Okay, so let's begin. Let's begin. Animal traits. Okay, so that's basically our unit. Okay, everything that animal have that it's important to know. So the first part, remember that we study the animal parts, not specifically the parts of each animal. What we want you to understand is that each part of the animal is very important. Remember that we talked about the whiskers in a cat, we talked about the claws in a bear, and that's basically it. Every part, the wings of bird is very important for them. Every little part of each animal is very important. So that's one part. The other part is different ways of breathing. Remember that mammals and birds breathe with lungs. Fish, they use gills, spiracles, the caterpillar and all the worms. And the rest of the animals have different systems, but basically what we want you to understand is that the ways of breathing are very different between all animals. Okay, important words, gills and lung. Okay. Finally, we talked about covering, animal coverings. Okay, so we mentioned that some animals just have skin. Some animals have scales like the fish, shells, fur, and feathers. Important words, feathers, fur, and scales. Okay, those are very important for you to know. And what do we have to do today specifically? Well, I attached an Excel practice in which you have to read the traits that are shown here and classify them. Okay, so I'm going to look at the pictures and classify the traits. The beak is what the birds have. Okay, and after that we're going to color all these animals here, and we're going to classify them by types. Okay, how do we know how do they breathe? Classify them by types. Okay, so we have mammals, birds, fish, reptiles, and amphibians. Okay, remember there is a video about it, and it's very simple. If it's not correct, it's fine. What I want you to do is do it on your own. Okay, it is important to work by yourselves. Okay, maybe mommy and daddy can help you, but just a little bit. Okay, not everything. Those everything has to be uploaded in your drive. So that's basically it. Thank you for being here with me, and I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.